Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, you are fine and you are just taking a very healthy food at your home. Okay, children. So, we have completed the summer clothes yesterday. Yes, summer clothes. This is also winter clothes. Okay, children. Here, this girl is drenching in the rain and she's very happy. Yes. And she's enjoying the rain and the rainwater also falling on the ground. Yes. Now, this is what, children? This is the raincoat. Okay. See this one: cap, muffler, sweater, pant. These all are winter clothes. Okay. So now we are going to see what are the clothes we are wearing in rainy season. You know na, children, rainy season? Yes. WEAR, wear. A, raincoat, RAIN, rain, COAT, coat. WHEN, when. We go, OUT, out, in the rain. We wear a raincoat when we go out in the rain. Okay. So what we are wearing when we are going out and it's raining? Yes, that is raincoat. See, you'll enjoy the rain, right? Yes. Now we will see what the raincoat helps us. Okay. A, raincoat. Just underline this word, children. Raincoat. Raincoat. Okay, raincoat. Keeps us dry. KEEPS. Keeps us DRY, dry. This is the raincoat. Yes, it helps. It keeps us dry. Okay, children. Next. Let us learn this. DIFFERENT. Different. What is the spelling for different, children? DIFFERENT. Different. KINDS, kinds. OF, of. CLOTH, cloth. ARER. USED, used. TO2. MAKE, make. CLOTHES, make clothes. Different kinds of clothes are used to make clothes. Different kinds of clothes are used to make clothes. So different things are using for the making the clothes. Okay, children. Next, cloth comes from CLOTH, cloth. COMES comes. FROM, from. PLANTS, plants. AND, and ANIMALS, animals. Cloth comes from plants and animals. Okay. WE, get. Cotton, COTTON, cotton. FROM, from. COTTON, cotton. Plant, PLANT, plant. We get cotton from cotton plant. Okay, where we are getting the cotton? From the cotton plant. Shall we see the cotton plant? Yes, here it is. This is a cotton plant. See, it has a pods. Cotton pods are there. Flowers are present. In that, cotton is growing. You know, we are taking that cotton and we are preparing the cotton clothes. Cloth comes from plants and animals. So plant you have seen now, children. Plant, cotton plant you have seen. Now we are going to see the animal. Which animal is this, children? Yes, this is a sheep. Okay. And what is this? This is the wool. So wool, where we are getting from? We are getting from sheep. Now let us see the sentence. WEVGET, get. WOOL, wool. FROM, from. SHEEP, sheep. We get wool from sheep. Okay, children. So different kinds of clothes are used to make different cloths, and they are used to make the cloths. Suppose if the cotton plant is there, we are getting the cotton, and that we are using in the summer. And what about the woolen clothes? We are getting the wool from the sheep. and then we are using them in the winter season, right? So here the school children, yes, they are going into the uniform, yes. So this we will tomorrow, let us see this one. THE, the, DRESS, dress, WEV, wear, 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 to school, is CALLED, called uniform, yes. So the clothes we wear, and in that clothes a particular thing is called as uniform. The dress we wear to school is called uniform, okay. Some people wear uniforms to work. Some, 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 PEOPLE, people, WEAR, wear, UNIFORMS, uniforms, TO2, WORK, work. So some people are wearing the uniforms to work, okay. Let us see who are they, okay. A, NERSE, nurse, wears a uniform. WARS, wears a uniform. So who is wearing the uniform, children? The school children, nurse. Now let us see. Doctor also wears the uniform, children, okay. Now next one, a policewoman or policeman. What, just you underline this, children, nurse and also policeman also underline. POLICE, 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 WAMAN, WOMAN, WOMAN, POLICE, police, MAN, man, policeman, policewoman, policeman, policewoman and policeman, okay. Also, ALSO also wears a uniform. So, a policewoman and policeman also wears a uniform. Okay, children, yes, we have completed this chapter. Just go through once. You have to take this, those who are girls and boys, yes. And please send me the homework. Yes, children? Yes, and you have to write all these words in the classwork. Just go and learn all the things. Okay, children? Take care, children. Bye-bye.
We all wear clothes. Clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. Clothes make us look smart. The way people dress depends upon their environment. Different types of clothes are worn in different seasons. Clothes are made of cotton, wool, silk and other materials. Cotton. We get cotton from the cotton plant. Cotton is made into thread. The thread is woven into cloth. Cloth is used to make different types of clothes. Cotton clothes are worn mostly in summer. Wool. Ooh, it is so cold. Woolen clothes will keep us warm. We get wool from sheep. Silk. Silk has a smooth, soft texture. We get silk from the silkworm. Silkworms live on the mulberry tree. We make clothes, bed sheets, curtains, towels, bags and many more things from cloth. Clothes are of different types. Sometimes the clothes which people wear tell us about the work they do. People working in banks and offices often wear light-colored clothes. Motor mechanics use dark-colored clothes while working so that the dirt does not show on their clothes. People working in the police, Army, Navy, Air Force and hospitals wear different uniforms. Children also wear uniforms to school. People working in fields use short clothes. These clothes reach only up to their knees. Long clothes will get wet in the rice fields. Washing time. Take care of your clothes. To keep clothes clean, soak them in soapy water for some time. Then wash them with clean water. Do not wash them roughly. Dry white clothes in the sun and colored clothes in the shade. Mend and stitch your clothes when torn.